Want your landing page to match your brand? In this video, I'll show you how to change fonts and colors in Systeme.io in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and go to Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the page you want to customize. Step 2. Click Edit Page to open the drag and drop page editor. Once inside the editor, click on any text element, such as a headline, subheadline, or paragraph. Step 3. In the Settings panel, find the Typography options. From here, you can change the font style, font size, font weight, and text alignment. Choose a font that matches your brand and is easy to read. Step 4. Next, locate the color settings. Click the color selector and choose a new text color, or enter your brand's color code if you have one. You can also change button colors, backgrounds, and section colors the same way. Step 5. After making your changes, click Save Changes and preview the page. Check both desktop and mobile views to make sure the fonts and colors look professional and consistent. And that's it! You've successfully changed fonts and colors in Systeme.io. If you'd like to build professional-looking funnels and landing pages, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials.